In FlipperSide Developer CMS 6, we've also simplified the support ticket submission and did other backend enhancements. So if you're logged in to Flipper, you'll be able to see this support button up here, which you can just click. It's going to take you to our knowledge base, and in the knowledge base you can open a ticket. But the other thing I want to point out since we're here is that we do have these how-to tutorials now for FlipperSide Developer CMS. We're going to continue to add to this, but as you can see, there's some already there. But if you want to open a ticket and get support, get help with any question you may have, you can just open a ticket, get support, submit the form, and someone will get back to you with the answer or how we can support your issue. But again, it's pretty cool that that's already built into this to your admin menu bar here. Plus, the other thing we did in FlipperSide Developer 6 is we did other backend enhancements. One of the things we added was now when you create a form and you add a email field, sometimes when those emails hit your email client, when you hit reply, it will now reply to the person that submitted the form. So that's built in now. We also did some enhancements to the SVG support that we had in FlipperSide Developer CMS and other minor bug fixes. So hope this video has been beneficial. Hope you learned something. If you have any more questions about products and services, feel free to visit pinpublishing.com. If you're on Facebook and Twitter, a like and a follow would be greatly appreciated. And if you're watching this on YouTube, please hit the subscribe button. We really appreciate that too. Thank you, and until next time.